Pasta Garofalo is an Italian luxury that everybody can afford. We are the history of pasta, and thanks to the knowledge that has been growing for centuries, everybody in Gragnano knows what is a pasta and what is a good pasta and how to produce good pasta. Why Gragnano? We can say a bit of romanticism because of the nice weather, humidity, etc. And that is true that Gragnano was in the perfect best place to dry the pasta outside, but definitely has been the place where the pasta first has been industrialized. From the beginning of the 18th century, there was already more than 200 small producers producing what they called at that time macaroni, dried at the sun, with the hole inside because the spaghetti at that time took very long to dry. All this movement of industrialization was then tried to be put in order by the king, and that is the first official document of the history of Garofalo that has been proved, give the allowance to Garofalo and other company to decide the price of pasta and to sell abroad. From there started the history of Gragnano as a place of pasta. The difference of high quality is strictly linked to the passion in this country, and especially in Garofalo. Garofalo is a group of friends that started the brand that you see now around the 2000, and in these 20 years we produce the pasta that we like. What makes Pasta Garofalo better or best, if you like, is the people that works inside the factory. We have got a family of 5 generations working with us, and there is a big passion from the owner of the company down to the last workers. We work as a team. Thanks to our quality control and research office, and thanks even to the commercial understanding of the different market, we have been able to offer to our consumer the right quality for the right usage of the pasta.
We are a restaurant line. We try to give to the chef the best solution in terms of performance, but also the best quality. We have a very precise point of view about the quality of pasta, and this point of view has been developed for years in the history of pasta in Gragnano, where Garofalo is one of the protagonists. It is not only a point of view on quality, but the ability to intend also that the quality is not an absolute value, but is a need of a customer. So the point is to understand that each country, each customer, each way to use the pasta can also expect different quality, that means different performance and a different way to use the pasta. The restaurant line started for the United States. This line has been studied in terms of which performance give to the restaurant, starting from the recipe of the semolina, which semolina have to be used to obtain a very al dente product and that could be fit for the needs of the restauration. The top brand of pasta in Italy are now increasing the thickness of the pasta, and in some way they are also reducing the cooking time of pasta. So at the end the consumer got a confusion between what is a really al dente pasta against a not well cooked, not completely cooked pasta, a raw pasta. The restoration needs a thickness of the product that assure proper time, and need to have at the end a well-cooked product and a really al dente product that maintain the consistency until the moment the consumer is going to consume and eat the pasta at the table. There is not a scientific way to define what that means al dente. Perhaps for each person means something of different, but at the end I could say al dente is first of all a well-cooked pasta. Al dente is a pleasure. It's a pleasure when you eat the pasta and you find the right consistency. Of course, who knows well what is al dente is the Italian consumer. I'd like to show you a typical Napoleon dish that is called pasta and patate. And I want to show you how to prepare this traditional recipe in a different way that assure at the end a very healthy dish. And I'd like to show the performance of our pasta, Garofalo ristorante, in this recipe. We will cook all together pasta, we add the onions, and we add the potatoes. Expect the end of the cooking time, so this shape is 10 minutes. Okay, pasta is ready, and let's finish this dish adding the tomato, some more basil, adding parmesan, some pepper, and the oil. Okay, we mix all the ingredients together to have the effect of what we call the mantecatura.